Hi, this is Stace from Magic and Ink, and today I am unboxing a mystery box from Pen Chalet. Let's get into it. Peanuts, love them. Squishy, squishy. So much fun. All right, what have we got? A little 10% off coupon, which I have one of these from the last time I ordered from Pen Chalet and forgot to use it. But I did have a 10% coupon ordering this box. Let's see, I also have ordered a couple other J. Irvine inks. I have Poissierre de Lune, which is my favorite. I had a small bottle, but I have just about used it up, so I went ahead and bought a full-size bottle. And then I wanted to try out this other one that I saw sampled. It is Violet Boreal. So I think that's like trees. I'm not sure. My French is really rusty. But it's another interesting purple ink that I will hope to try out. I don't think I'll swatch it in this video though. So let's get on to the main event. The Pen Chalet mystery box. Alright, so I'm going to get rid of this. Put this up here. There we go. Now this was a box that was, it was marked down to $125 for a Memorial Day sale. And then there was an additional 10% off coupon for being a member on their site. And so it was $112, and it's supposed to include a pen worth $195, so it's already a significant markdown. A $30 bottle of ink, a leather pen case of some variety, and a few other small odds and ends, which we will discover as we get into the Pen Chalet mystery box. I'm so excited. I love mysteries. Okay, now I'm going to have some trouble because of the way my desk is here. You can see we have a little Pen Chalet mystery solved sticker. That's very cute. I'll love to stick that in my planner somewhere. And some nice tissue paper. I'm going to take things out of the box. Oh, we'll just go through it and see what we have here. Okay, pen soap. Bath time for fountain pens. It says there's a bottle of ink. It is season 5. Enjoy your space. I'm trying to figure out what brand this is, but I don't see it. It's a Korean ink. Okay, I'm going to need a minute to figure that out. Here's the pen case. Oh, look at this. It's an adorable little cat pen stand. I love it. It is so cute. Okay, and there's a nice pad of paper. It's Rhodia graph paper in a little pad. So that's very good fountain pen paper. I love. I have two notebooks with Rhodia paper, which I enjoy writing with. Well, here's something. Oh, it's Tono and Limbs ink. Okay, cool. Some kind of pinky purple, maybe? I'm going to have to figure that out. And then, of course, the main event here is the LeBouf Fountain Pen Company pen. I am not familiar with that brand at all. So let's just get into each of these items one by one. Let's start with the pen case here. Look at that. That's very pretty. Always good to have something to carry your pens in when you're out and about. I don't know what the brand is. Is there a brand? This might be the Pen Chalet logo, is it? I'm not sure. Little fountain pen nib there though. Okay, that's nice. There's a spot for one pen there, maybe two pens if you pull this. You can pull this out. Oh, I see, it's flexible, so you can adapt it to hold your pen securely. and then some little slide things for if you want to carry some cards or something in, I guess. It's very pretty. Black with red stitching, and a nice little pen case. Conveniently sized for my purse, too. Okay, the Rhodia paper pad. Not much to say about that. It's a block Rhodia number 13, 80 sheets, 5x5, 80 GM, 80 weight. I don't know how to say things. I'm dumb with a lot of the specifics. But this will be really great for testing paper and or testing inks, making lists, doing swatches, whatever one needs a notepad for. Let's look at the Tonneau and Limbs ink. It's really hard to tell from the box what color it is. Oh, it says fountain pen and glass pen on the box. Oh, that's not in the ink. I feel, like I said, my brain is on low power these days. Okay. Oh, you know, it looks like it's a purple ink. Maybe a red or a pink. And Enjoy Your Spacewalk Season 6. Is that the name of the color? I don't know. I'm going to have to look that up. Okay, and we'll swatch it here in just a minute. Pen soap. I'm not familiar with this product, but effectively removes residual dye from fountain pens. It's from Colorverse. And it looks like there's inside 2 small bottles. The pen soap and then a bottle, I guess, to decant it and mix it up so you can like pour in there with some water and then soak your pens or your nibs in it. Excellent. I've usually been okay with just rinsing things out, but I've never let anything sit really long in a pen before, so this might come in useful. You never know. Okay. All right, the last thing to look at before the pen again is I want to look at the cute little cat pen rest. Look at that. He's adorable. I'm going to grab, I only have one pen out on my desk right now. Is this Ferris wheel press. Oh, 2 off balanced for him. So you have to balance the pen on there. Isn't that cute? I love it. All right, let's look at this pen. LeBoeuf Fountain Pen Company, established 1919. So what do you think we got here? I did order a medium nib, that's all I know. It's a nice little box, a little magnetic closure. Oh, look at that. That is really pretty. Get it out. How pretty is that? This is I'm sorry, I keep going off camera. I know I have to adjust things better for camera. Looks like it's a piston. Nope, not a piston filler. The nib has the little cow guy on it, the steer's head. The boeuf means the beef, so you know, a steer or cattle. Medium-sized nib with some pretty decorations on it too. Converter. And it comes with some LeBoeuf Violet Select ink cartridges. Purple ink. You know, they must have known who I was. That's the dog trying to get in the door, but I'm just going to ignore him for a minute. I would put one of these in, but it always takes a little bit of time, in my experience, for cartridges to fill up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dip the pen. I'm going to fill the pen with the Tonneau and Limbs ink and test it on the Rhodia paper, and we'll see what we got here. There's no shimmer in there. This is so pretty. Okay. Down, 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 up, 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 up. Nope, not down far enough. I didn't put it down in the ink, I think. I'm always so careful about dunking it too far. All right, there we go. Nib. Yeah, purple man. No such thing as too much purple ink. All right. It's starting off a little dry. And this ink is really dry. So I'm going to set that for a minute. I'm going to get out a dip pen, if I can find one. Here we go. Let's see if I can get a little bit better idea of this color if I dip. It's pretty unsaturated, honestly, but it's a pretty pinky purple. And maybe the name of the color is Enjoy Your Spacewalk, Season 5. It is a pretty color. I do like it, and I hope I can get it to come out of this pen a little bit better, because I think the pen is really pretty too. Okay. I don't have a water here. Let me see. Let's do I have I'll do a tiny little swatch here. Yeah, that's so pretty. I guess you might call that a magenta, a dark magenta maybe. It's too or pinkish purple is what I'm going with. It's very pretty, whatever it is. And I would like it if I could get a better flow from this pen. There we go. Now it's coming out a little better. Yeah, I like that. The pen is a little bit scratchy for me. It's not as smooth as some of the other medium pens I've had. It's pretty hard to pull across the paper, but I don't hate it, and it is really very pretty. Yeah, and I don't know anything about this brand, Le Boeuf, so I'm gonna have to do some research on that. I do think it is just gorgeous, though. So, you know, I can display it here on this kitty if I can get it balanced right. This kitty may not be big enough. It's a pretty chunky pen. There we go. Huh? What do you think? I spilled a little ink on my pad. I'll clean that up in just a minute. So, that is it for, you know, mystery solved for my Pen Chalet mystery box. I am happy to have shared it with you today. I am happy to have all this new purple ink and purple, 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 purple. So happy. And a pen, which is mostly blue, but with just enough purple that I can call it a purple pen. All right. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time here on Magic and Ink. Don't forget to like and subscribe.